Hello, my name is Eugene Micah, and I am a social studies tutor at Vicandy School. Today I want to talk to you about waste separation. We have forms of waste. We have waste that decompose and those that do not decompose. Aside that, we also have forms of waste being solid, liquid, and gaseous waste. Why would separation of waste be beneficial to us as a country? Now, we have a waste management plant in Ghana here, right here in Kumasi at Adija. When you go there, it is difficult for the workers over there to separate waste. The government has to spend huge sums of money in buying waste separation machines or waste segregation machines. These sums of money that are being used to purchase these machines can be used to do other beneficial things for the country. So I will entreat every Ghanaian to learn how to dispose waste of better. I will also plead with the government to provide enough dustbins. So as we dispose the waste, the same time we separate them. We separate the decomposing ones from the ones that cannot decompose. When we separate waste, it simply means that there will be less waste that goes into landfilling, and that will be beneficial and better for the country and the environment as a whole. Thank you.
Good afternoon. We are students of Vicandy School, and we are here to present on the environment. And some examples are afforestation,
deforestation,
air pollution, and waste management. I now leave the platform to my comrades to continue.
Deforestation means that cutting trees without replacing them, and then causes of deforestation is the activities of galamsey operators, and then bush burning, and then causes of deforestation is it causes soil erosion. It causes soil erosion and it causes desertification.
That is why there is a need to process afforestation, because there is a saying that goes, when the last tree dies, the last one also dies. So we must always practice afforestation to ensure that we human beings get enough oxygen to breathe in.
Air pollution. Air pollution is the release of unnecessary gases into the atmosphere. Some effects or causes of air pollution are it can destroy the ozone layer. Some ways of controlling air pollution are we should enforce laws to educate literacy on how to prevent air pollution. We should also enforce laws against people who pollute air.
So let's advise the youth out there to stop littering and practice proper disposal of waste so that the environment in Ghana can be kept clean and safe.
This is where we draw down the curtain. Hope that we will all bring Ghana together. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
We are here to talk about some of the importance of planting trees in our community.
Trees serves as habitat for some animals, such as birds. So I will encourage all Ghanaians to plant more trees.
Trees prevent erosion.
Trees help to reduce the content of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
Trees also provide us with oxygen that we breathe. I would also like us to give a presentation on climate change.
Climate change refers to a long-term shift in weather patterns and temperatures. These shifts may be natural, but now human activities have been the main cause of climate change, and these include burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These produce heat-trapping gases known as the greenhouse gases, which include the carbon dioxide and methane. And also deforestation, which refers to the cutting down of trees, can also be a factor of climate change.
These are some effects of climate change. 1. Drought. 2. Extinction of endangered species. And 3. Global warming. And 4. Greenhouse effect.
To solve the climate change, we can encourage people to plant more trees. And also, we should avoid using firewood. We should avoid using firewood instead of LPG gas.
this brings us to the end of our speech. We hope that you remember to keep Ghana clean. Thank you.
We are all building Ghana together. Yeah!